down here and I'm going to change the air filter on the heater. Completely plugged up air filter. Turn that sucker back on. Throw that old bastard away. Not getting any heat. Not getting any heat. Thing's totally plugged up. So change your air filters. This is Greg just letting you know it's time to change your air filter. When it gets plugged up, it's full of dust. It doesn't give you any heat. See that? That's how it's plugged it is. Time to change your air filter. Furnace filter. Alright, this is Greg. And when you change your furnace filter, you have to oil the draft inducer motor, which is this little motor right here. This is the draft inducer, and there's two places where you want to oil it, and you want to use 3-in-1 motor oil. 3-in-1 motor oil is a special blend for furnace motors, and there's two places you want to put the oil. You want to put the oil over the bearings, and there's two holes usually that you want to put the oil. First hole is in the front. There's a little hole, you put a drop or two of oil in there, and then back here there's another hole. You want to put a drop of oil right in there. Make it a few drops because you don't come down here much. It goes in there like that. Squirt a couple drops in there. Couple drops in there. Wait. Right there like that. And then you're set. There. That's how you lubricate your furnace. These days the fan motor is non-serviceable. You don't oil the bearings, but you do oil the draft inducer bushings. In the front here and right there, there's two holes. Right here you want to oil, and right there you want to oil.